kaibigan, simula na ang umaga.
Simula ng saya, kaya sama ka na.
Dito lamang po sa Boy and Chris! Dito Ian, come on! It's dance time! Hey!
This is my jam. Keep the party into the AM. Y'all don't understand. Let me throw my hands.
Good morning, one! Magandang umaga po, Pilipinas. Welcome to Boy and Chris.
We're so cute. Ang cute natin dalawa kasi yung bottom ko nasa top mo,
Thank
tapos
you.
yung top ko nasa bottom mo. Beautiful.
You gave me this lovely shirt. Maraming salamat,
Yes.
Chrissy.
Let's call on first before we call on our guest. She's my yoga instructor. She comes to the house.
Okay.
Si Marlette Alano Besa. Hi, Marlette. Labas ka na dito.
Hi, Marlette.
Because our special guest for this
Hello,
morning,
Marlette.
pagturuan
Happy
niya.
New Year.
Hi.
Okay.
Starting off with Rafael Rosel. Okay. Are we gonna see it? What's this? Crow. Hindi ko kaya yun.
Crow.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat, Rafi. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
John Avila is next. Warner one. I like Warrior.
Warrior.
Yeah.
Warrior. Thank you.
And then,
Thank you,
favorite
John.
boy, Sid Lucero's in the house. What did he learn?
He's doing the Warrior 2 reverse.
Anong tawag dyan?
Warrior 2 reverse.
Warrior 2. Hi, hi.
And then, si
Okay.
Vice Ganda is here. Ano kayo?
Vice!
Flower facing dog. Horse. Ano yun?
Warrior 3.
What's that?
Warrior 3.
Warrior 3. Good morning. Welcome to
Hi,
Boy and
good
Chris
morning.
Vice. Ganda. Okay. Exciting ang ating umaga.
Well, you know, kasi gusto nating maging healthy ang mga buhay natin.
Mas mahaba ang ating buhay.
Correct. So, Marlette has been going to the house about twice a week for the past 10 weeks or so.
Yeah.
Ganun,
Yoga is
diba?
one of the best things that happened in your life. Alam mo, pag nag-uusap kami yan after your sessions, you should say, hello, boy, life is good, I'm happy.
Kasi di ba
That's what yoga
nare-release
does.
yung negativity
Yeah.
pag nag-yoga ka?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to go forward.
At least
and-
mga 3
I
yoga
apologize
poses.
for
Okay.
not being able to do it because it's that time of the month.
Okay, all
Di ba,
right.
Alright.
pag you told me na pag first 3 days of your menstrual cycle, don't.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
So,
a time to
makinig,
slow down.
we're learning, we're
It's
learning.
the time of the month. Wala kayong that time of the month, kaya dapat dyan kayo.
Okay,
Stand
ready?
up straight. Put one foot at the back. So you are in a lunge.
Lunge, oo.
Tapos ho, move your hips to the side. And then,
Tirin yung paa niya.
i-direction nyo parehong legs. Then bend
Pababa.
to the leg on the front, pababa. Tapos itaas nyo yung isang arm. Yan. So if you like, to make it like a slow dance with your breath, inhale up, exhale out.
Aray.
Inhale up, exhale out. Farther kung kaya. Inhale up, exhale out. Okay, come up. Face front. Bend ho. Hawak sa floor or sa
You
leg.
can bend your knee, boy.
And then, bring your feet together. Pwede ho half lang. Okay. Half lang.
O, half na muna. Hindi
This is
kaya.
called Uttanasana or the standing forward bend.
That's
Standing forward.
masarap. Okay,
Again,
wait,
don't
for
forget
everybody na sa desk matagal in front of the computer, di ba, that's really advisable
Yes.
para nasa-stretch mo yung likod mo.
And then slowly come up, round your back.
Slowly.
Balance on one leg.
Okay.
Hirap na hirap ako dun sa
Ito yung
balance na yan.
Vrikshasana or the tree pose.
Yan na yung tree. It's so
The
hard.
tree
boy.
pose can be as low as the floor or as high as your opposite inner
ko
thigh.
kaya. Doon ako sa floor din. Ako din.
Pinakamadali
floor
sa
din ako.
balance if you focus on the floor. Keep your chin up but look down. Don't let your eyes wander.
Focus at a point in front of you. That's what she always says.
Now, the purpose of this pose is it balances the right and the left sides
Pang
of your brain.
concentration, boy. Di ba feeling mo madali, pero di ba nanginginig yung
Exhale
tuhod?
down. Okay. Of course, it's all about balance, so we have to do the other side.
Okay.
Kabilang leg naman ho. Okay. Kagaya nung first pose, from a lunge, face your side, straighten both legs, and bend.
Napunit
Reach
lang.
up. Okay. Now, watch
Ulit ang
your
practice mo na
alignment.
gawin.
Make sure your back is flat. So your top shoulder should be more to the back. Look up if you can. Inhale. Exhale, reach out as far as you can. Okay? Inhale up. Exhale, reach out farther kung kaya. Inhale up. Exhale. Okay, come up. Face front. Hands either sa leg or sa floor.
Pwede rin legs, boy.
Feet
First mo
together.
lang eh.
Again, you can just do a half forward bend. Come up, round your back, so you come up one vertebra at a time. Okay. Last pose. Vrikshasana
Meron
or
pa?
the tree. Again, don't forget to breathe. And when you breathe, you expand your chest and your belly when you inhale. Exhale, relax
Nanginginig
the
naman
chest
ako dito.
and the
Parang
belly.
Sierra Madre, the balance of life.
Correct.
Plus, one
The
of the
balance of
benefits
nature.
of a balancing pose is you are able to handle difficult situations with
Totoo
grace
yun.
and control.
Ganda. Ngayong umaga, kaibigan, have a haba life.
Thank you, Marlene.
Maraming salamat. At maya-maya lamang po ay makakasama natin ang ating paborito, Drs. Willie and Liza Ong.
Yes, kasi tuturuan nila tayo on how to have healthy habits para humaba ang life.
That's true. Okay. Lahat ng ito, mga kaibigan, sa pagbabalik po ng Boy!
And Chris!
Uwi mo yan.
Hello. Dr. Lisa, hello. What?
Hello. Hello, nice to meet you. Maganda kasi yung banana. Merong Japanese diet ngayon. Ang uso sa kanila, pagising sa umaga po, 2 banana ang kinakain plus isang basong tubig. Tapos merong set time para sa lunch. Tapos sa gabi, ang huling kain, kailangan 11 p.m. o mas maaga.
Anong meron ang saging na napakaganda nito sa katawan?
Maraming vitamins. 2 sagings a day para ka nang uminom ng kalahating multivitamins.
Ay, very good.
Kompleto.
Okay.
Tol, okay, wait.
Sa ating mga
The
bisita.
guys look, well, in particular, itong dalawang to, mukhang healthy talaga. Kayong dalawa, maingat sa mga kinakain.
O,
niyo
ano ang
talaga.
inyong diet?
Kasi parang ito, on this side, ito daw ang dapat dagdagan. Ito yung mga babawasan.
Yes.
John, ikaw,
What is
you
it
eat a
that-
lot of fruits and vegetables.
Yes, I try to drink a lot of shakes with fruits, iba-ibang fruits.
Ilang
John,
cups of vegetables a day dapat?
Ideally, 9 servings. Bali, maliliit naman na
Nine.
servings. Oo.
Okay, Rafi, ikaw.
I don't follow any particular diets.
Talaga?
I usually have this in the morning.
Ha?
Why is that so? There are
I-
people who are not careful with
Pero
what
tinan mo,
they eat,
lean
but
na
look
lean.
at him.
Unfair.
Bata pa
It's the
kasi.
black jacket siguro.
Wait. Bata pa kasi.
Cheater.
Tsaka 25% po ng health natin, genetic na mamana sa magulang. 75% sa habits natin. Yun yung mga babaguhin natin.
Again, 25% na mamana natin sa
Sa
magulang.
magulang.
75%.
Is lifestyle.
You said, ano?
Okay.
I have a diet. I usually, I graze it, like mga 8 times a day, pero
Ay, that's
very
nice.
small.
They like
very
that.
small
Di ba? Gusto
meals.
niyo yun, yung
Like sometimes
konti-konti.
like half a sandwich, when I wake up, that's 2 hours later, that's when I finish it. Parang ganun. But all day yun.
Ikaw.
Ako once a day lang talaga yung kain ko.
What time is this of the day?
Paggising ko na ng mga 3 o'clock ng hapon,
Kasi
isang
iba ang
beses
lifestyle.
lang.
Doc, what can you say about it, Lisa?
Ang maganda talaga, 6 meals a day. Like,
konti-konti.
konti-konti. Almusal, merienda, tanghalian, merienda,
Hindi kinakailangan
hapunan.
may kanin. Lagi.
Hindi kailangan. Kasi isang banana, isang merienda mo na. Isang apple, isang merienda
That's
mo
a
na.
meal.
Yes.
Kasi, Vice, pag kulang ang kinakain mo, nahihirapan yung katawan, naghahanap ng sweets.
Opo.
Pag kulang sa tulog, naghahanap ng sweets na matatamis.
Correct.
Bumabawi. Pero
Okay,
hindi healthy.
pag-usapan natin ang mga pagkain na nakakadagdag